My name's Hailey-Ann, and in this video, I'm going to be sharing how useful chemistry can be in your daily life with the many uses of baking soda and how it works with chemistry. A little introduction to baking soda. It's everyone uses chemistry all the time, and you might not even realize it or know it. So a great example of this is the many uses of baking soda. It can be used for things such as baking, cleaning, deodorizing, and even a form of medicine in some cases. This is a good example because it's something that almost everybody has used at one point or another. But in this video, I'll be probably holding more focus on its use for cleaning and baking, which is another thing that I'm sure most people have used it for. So it'll be interesting to see how it works with the chemistry. And the reason it does work is because of chemistry, um, which is something we probably don't even realize because, like, we probably question why does baking soda work so well for all of these things? And like I stated, it's because of the chemistry. And a little um, baking soda in the chemical sense is known as sodium bicarbonate with the chemical formula of NaHCO3. And then sodium bicarbonate is a naturally occurring substance, so it is a crystalline salt which is found in a natural mineral form, and it comes from soda ash or sodium carbonate, which is obtained from being mined from the ore trona, which I supplied a picture of because I think it's kind of interesting to see how it can come from something so solid looking. It helps living things such as ourselves maintain the pH balance necessary for life, which is why it is so interesting to see how we incorporate this into day-to-day activities while not even thinking about it as chemistry. In baking soda, within baking, which is kind of a funny play on words, when using baking soda for actual baking, there's a lot of chemistry that has to do with it and why it works in this daily activity that we may never have thought of before. In the instance of mixing sodium bicarbonate into what you are baking, it is typically used as a leavening agent, which means that's kind of what happens when or causes the dough, if you're baking with dough, to rise, such as in like sourdough bread or literally any form of dough really rises. And so when it is mixed with like an acidic catalyst, such as like yogurt or buttermilk, it will react and cause the action of chemical leavening, which results in this dough or batter you're baking to rise, which is a chemical reaction. There is a release of carbon dioxide from the sodium bicarbonate, which causes this reaction as it goes up, making baking soda the perfect chemical hack for all your baking needs, really, because it really helps with the baking process. And hack also is this is sort of on the topic of that medicine input. If you have acid reflux, sodium bicarbonate can help act as a stomach settler. We also can see baking soda in everyday life in things such as cleaning. We are able to use baking soda for cleaning as it has natural properties, as stated before, making it safe and gentle when cleaning. So it's not something that you have to be worried about getting on your hands or just affecting the things you are cleaning since it's natural. Since baking soda is a mild alkali, this means that it has a moderate ability to neutralize acids, so it can be used to clean away dirt and grease, which because it causes a reaction to cause it to dissolve easily in water. You also can commonly see it mixed with vinegar to clean, and it can clean things such as like glass, plastic, carpets, steel. Most things can be cleaned with baking soda. Here are my references, and in conclusion, baking soda is just used in so many different things that you can see throughout your daily life, and it's definitely worthy of looking into the chemistry of it.